Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we want to solve this nice exponential equation. 16 to the power of x plus 24 to the power of x equals 36. And the first thing we are going to do to be able to solve this is to divide through it by 36 to the power of x. So if we do that, we'll have 16 to the power of x over 36 to the power of x plus 24 to the power of x divided by 36 to the power of x, and that will be equal to 36 to the power of x divided by 36 to the power of x. And of course, if we do that, we will end up with 16 to the power of x over 36 to the power of x plus 24 to the power of x over 36 to the power of x, and that will be equal to 1. We know that if you have an expression a to the power of b over c to the power of b, then that is equal to a over c to the power of b. So you want to use that law to rewrite our expression as 16 over 36 to the power of x plus 24 over 36 to the power of x, and that is equal to 1. We can simplify this further. 16 divided by 36, 4 should be common, and 4 goes into 16 4 times. 4 goes into 36 9 times, so that is 4 over 9 to the power of x plus 24 divided by 36. 12 is common. 12 goes into 24 2 times, so that is 2 over 12 goes into 36 3 times, 2 over 3 to the power of x, and that is equal to 1. Well, now we have 4 over 9 to the power of x plus 2 over 3. So we have 4 over 9 to the power of x plus 2 over 3 to the power of x, and that is equal to 1. Now we're going to, because we have a nice relationship here between 2 over 3 and 4 over 9, we are going to try and rewrite 4 over 9 in terms of 2 over 3, and that is by writing 4 as 2 to the power of 2 and writing 9 as 3 to the power of 2, everything to power x plus 2 over 3 to the power of x being equal to 1. So we can quickly see that 2 squared over 3 squared can be written as 2 over 3 squared, everything to the power of x, everything to the power of x over there, plus 2 over 3 to the power of x, and that is equal to 1. Now we know that if you have a over b to the power of m n, then that can be written as a over b to the power of m to the power of n, and that can also be written as a over b to the power of n to the power of m. So we want to use that law to rewrite our expression here as 2 over 3 to the power of x to the power of 2 plus 2 over 3 to the power of x, and that is equal to 1. Um, we can see now we have a common factor, 2 over 3 to the power of x, and so we want to let 2 over 3 to the power of x be equal to another unknown, say a. Yeah, so let 2 over 3 to the power of x be equal to a, and substituting a value back to our equation, we will have, because we have 2 over 3 to the power of x there, power 2, that will be a to the power of 2, plus 2 over 3 to the power of x, that is a, and that is equal to 1. So we're forming here a nice quadratic equation. Of course, we can rearrange this as a to the power of 2 plus a minus 1 equals 0, which we can quickly solve using the quadratic formula, minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. All right, so we quickly substitute. We know that b is equal to 1, a is equal to 1, and c is equal to minus 1. So we can substitute back, and minus b will now become minus 1, plus or minus the square root of b squared is 1 squared, which is 1, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is minus 1, over 2 times a, which is 1. And of course, this will simplify into minus 1 plus or minus the square root of positive 5 over 2 over 2. Yes. Okay, so that is the value of a. But remember, we let a be equal to 2 over 3 power x. So we can say that 2 over 3 power x is now equal to minus 1 plus or minus the square root of root 5 over 2. Okay, so 2 over 3 to the power of x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus the square root of 5 over 2. Now, to be able to continue with this, we are going to have to take the logs of both sides. So we'll have log 2 over 3 to the power of x being equal to log of minus 1 plus or minus the square root of 5 over 2. And we can rewrite this into x log 2 over 3 being equal to log minus 1 plus or minus root 5 over 2. And to be able to get x, we'll have to divide both sides by log 2 over 3. And if we do that, we will have x being equal to log minus 1 plus or minus root 5 over 2 divided by log 2 over 3. Okay, so of course we can simplify that into x being equal to log to the base of 2 over 3 of minus 1 plus root 5 over 2. Now I want us to quickly look at this solution, because of course okay, this is plus or minus, yes, plus or minus. That comprises two solutions, when we have a plus and when we have a minus. So we can see we are having two values of x being equal to, x is equal to log base 2 over 3 of minus 1 minus root 5 over 2, or x is equal to log to base 2 over 3 of minus 1 plus root 5 over 2. A quick inspection of the first solution. We can see that minus 1 minus root 5 will be less than 0, which means minus 1 minus root 5 over 2 is also less than 0. So the log of a negative number is undefined. So this value is undefined. Therefore, we have no real solution. Okay, so no real solution over there. Now let's try the other part where we have x being equal to log 2 base 2 over 3 of minus 1 plus root 5 over 2. Now we can see that minus 1 plus root 5 is a positive number. It's greater than 0. Therefore, minus 1 plus root 5 over positive 2 will also be greater than 0. So definitely we have real solutions on this other side. So we can say that x is equal to minus 1 plus root 5 over 2. And of course, we have log here. So let me just take log 2 base 2 over 3 there. So x is equal to log 2 base 2 over 3 of minus 1 plus root 5 over 2. And that is the solution to our equation. And of course, if you like, the approximate value of log 2 base 2 over 3 of minus 1 plus root 5 over 2 is equal to 1.1868. 1.1868. Thank you.